Hey, Joe.
Yeah, how you doing?
How are you?
Good, 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 good.
You know, when I first got here, the furnace was gone, but I could see that the ductwork really looked to be in good shape.
Yeah, the ductwork was in very good shape in this house. It was a little dirty, dusty.
Right.
The house had been vacant.
Right.
We had the ductwork cleaned.
Super.
And how they did that is we come in with a big truck. We hook the return, the big pipe into the ductwork, suck the air down through the duct. We run an air snake down through the ductwork and clean all the dirt and the dust out of it.
It's really quite a process. Get that thing completely cleaned. I love seeing that before we put a new furnace.
And then once it's all cleaned, we will seal all the ductwork.
Very important.
So there will be no more dirt or dust getting into the ductwork.
You know, the furnace being stolen actually gave us a clean palette. What'd you pick for new equipment?
We chose a 97% fully modulating furnace. So it gives you just enough heat for what you need to heat the house and based on the load of the home.
Now, a conventional furnace has thermostat on, you're at 100%, it heats you, and then it shuts off.
Right.
This thing just puts the right amount in like cruise control.
Exactly,
And
yes.
that's efficient.
Yes.
All right. So here's the gas-fired furnace right here to heat the air, and I see a cooling coil here.
Yes, this is where we produce the cooling for the inside of the house, and we're installing right now the condenser on the outside of the house.
Super, let's see that.
Okay.
So there's our new unit going in. How efficient is this one, Joe?
This unit is an 18 SEER condenser.
All right, so SEER I know is Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio.
Correct,
And
yes.
18 is pretty good. I mean, the old days used to be 8 to 10.
Correct.
And this is sort of like miles per gallon on your car.
Correct. The higher the SEER rating, the less it costs you to operate.
All right, good. Nice looking unit, and you've got your line sets right here. What's left here?
Yeah, we're going to be hooking up the line set, evacuating the system, and charging the system.
So they can work on that.
Yes.
What's left inside?
The last thing we have to do is vent the furnace.
Now that's a lot different with a modern furnace. You know, our old furnace sat right over here, had a gas burner underneath it, and those flue products came up through the furnace relatively fast and came out here, and by the time it left, it was going out at 700 degrees, and that's your really wasted efficiency. A modern furnace hasn't really figured out how to burn the fuel any better. It is making it keep the heat in the furnace longer. So you got a burner right here, the flue products go up to a primary heat exchanger, now it passes down to a secondary heat exchanger, and spending that extra time inside the furnace means it extracts more heat, which means our exhaust temperatures are now, what, 110 degrees?
Right, and being at 110 degrees, there's not enough draft to be able to vent it through your old chimney. Okay, so we have to vent it to the side of the house,
Right.
and then we bring fresh air back to the furnace because it's a sealed combustion system.
And what else is left for your perfect HVAC system?
We have to finish hooking up the air cleaning system and the humidifier, and then we'll be all set.
Well, thank you, Joe, to you and your crew for a great job and for all your help.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.